Have you heard of plugins but don't know how to install and use them? Then this video is for you. This past week, when I taught a mastermind class on leveraging ChatGPT to CRS realtors, one of them told me they didn't have access to the plugins and code interpreter even though they're a Plus user. I followed up with her after the class and showed her how to enable them, and she was ecstatic. All Plus users should now have access to Code Interpreter and the other plugins. I'm going to show you how to get the most out of these awesome new features. To enable Code Interpreter and other plugins, go to Settings and enable the Plugins option under Beta Features. I showed you how I've used Code Interpreter in a couple of videos already, so now I'll show you how to use the other plugins. Select the Plugins model, then under the Plugins dropdown, you'll be able to select the plugin store to install plugins. It looks like you can install them all if you'd like, but you can only select up to 3 at a time. The brief descriptions aren't that helpful, so select one plugin you're interested in, and then use this prompt to get details on how to use it. Shout out to AI Advantage for most of this prompt. What can this plugin do? Please output a table with every single available function and capability for the plugin, a second column for a simple yet comprehensive explanation, and a third column with clear example prompts that show off the full capabilities of the plugin. I've gotten awesome results from this prompt, and I'm sure you will too. Have fun! Please like and subscribe for a lot more useful information to come.